Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the new Aeropress Go from Aerobi. I got this in the mail last week and I've been very excited to try it out. I've had the original Aeropress now for a good amount of years and I've gotten a lot of use out of it. But the main difference between the old Aeropress and this one, which is the Aeropress Go, it's a smaller, more portable version of the original. So that's kind of what they're advocating this one for. So the whole Aeropress tube, a little spoon, and pressure pump that comes with it, it all should collapse within the portable cup that comes within the box. And yeah, it's meant to be used for work, travel, or outdoors, but I imagine I'm going to be using it most likely at home, and I may even replace my original Aeropress because it takes up less storage space. So let's get into it. Get the knife out. So this Aeropress should be going on the shelves for everyone else by Christmas. And the price, I believe, is going to be more or less the same as the original, around $30 to $40 wherever you are. But I'll confirm that with you guys later. Ah, cool. So it already comes pre-packaged in its little cup container. Wow, it's actually pretty big. Like the cup itself, I thought it looked smaller. Well, it looks small in the box, but it's a pretty decent sized box. You can definitely feel like a big mug of coffee within this. That's pretty cool. The cover is silicone, and the plastic cup itself, it's BPA free, I believe, and it has some ridges around the sides. Good, so you don't burn yourself. What else is in the box? Just put this to the side for now. Okay, we've got some paper filters and just an instruction book as well. Looks like it operates the same as the original, but we'll find out soon enough, won't we? All right, let's just put that onto the side and unpack the main package. Okay. So this right here, this is a little wallet, plastic wallet, I'll say, that you keep your paper microfilters within. So that's pretty cool, because the original Aeropress, it comes with this massive, big plastic shell, about, I don't know, 2 to 3 centimeters high, where you stack up all your microfilters. But this one here is designed to fit, as many as you need for travel. That's neat. Going further, we've got what else do we got here? This is the plastic filter where you put the microfilters within, and then take out from the mug compartment. We've got the Aeropress plunger that you press down, and the compartment where you put over your mug. Okay, and then inside we've got a little stirring wand. That's cool. It kind of like breaks apart so it fits within the compartment. That's neat. The original Aeropress spoon is actually really large. It's like this big, massive paddle. It's actually quite neat how it breaks apart. And we've got a measuring spoon. Cool. Wow. That's a pretty neat little package there. And that's the mug that we use to drink the coffee. So I imagine when you're done drinking, you clean your cups and everything, you just put this all back together, like so. And it should all fall back into the mug. Like so. Huh, voila. Wow, I really like that. I literally think just by looking at this right now, I'm going to use this more at home than my original Aeropress. Because when I make Aeropress anyway, I usually just make it for myself. or when some other person's around, maybe I'll make 2 servings of coffee. But this itself is perfectly fine for home use as well. And it's much easier to pack away. Because at the moment, I've got all my Aeropress in my pantry, but it takes up a decent amount of space because they're all stuck together nicely. So it's taken up a good, 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters worth of space. This little compartment here cuts it drastically in size. I actually like this a lot more. But the key question is, how does a coffee taste? So let's make one right now. Okay. Get the paper filters out. Trusty knife. Okay. So let's see how the pouch works as well. So we can store, I don't know how many we can fit in here. Maybe like 5 to 10. They are pretty thin, so I imagine you can fit enough for a good amount of road trip you're going on, or camping trip. And wow, just kind of closes in there, maybe a few less. But I think there's a good amount between 5 to 10 paper filters that can fit in this wallet and close quite easily. Wow, really cool. All right, so let's make some coffee. Actually, when I was setting up this video, I got a mug out because I think, I need to put something into the coffee, but it comes with a mug, so this is kind of redundant. All right. So, paper filter, pop one in, damp it up a little bit. I'll be right back. Whoop. Okay. Screw it on to the bottom. Pop it on the cup, get our coffee out, and use the spoon that's included. Okay. Hot water. Imagine if you're camping, get some hot water from your fire top stove. But since we're in my kitchen, we're just going to do it the original Aeropress way. And the stirring wand. Cool. So imagine this here has got a nice little grippiness on it. So that's the handle. And here's the stirring spoon. So let's just mix the coffee in. And let it brew for a little bit before we put the pressure in. Wow, so first impressions about this product, I actually really like it. I think I like this product more than the original Aeropress even because it's so nice and compact, easy to store in your pantry, takes up a lot less space, and it's also a very nice design. I like the red silicone cover that you put on top, keeps everything nice and clean. And honestly, this is the ideal size you need for an Aeropress. Okay. And also the included cup's really cool because it fits perfectly the tube that goes on top. Works just like an Aeropress. Well, it will be. It's an Aeropress Go. Okay. And here's your coffee. So I filled up the tube all the way to the top. The coffee pretty much goes up 3/4 of the way of the mug. If you want to dilute it, you can put a little bit more water inside, but I like my coffee nice and strong, so let's give it a go. It's good. So, wrapping up, this is my unboxing of new Aeropress Go. I believe it's getting released this month in time for Christmas. So I expect it's going to be sold on the Aeropress website and all good coffee shops and locations. I haven't checked Amazon yet, but if it is on Amazon, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out too. Now, if you already have an Aeropress, you're going to be questioning, do I actually need this product? I've had the Aeropress. It's a rugged thing. It's lasted me for years. I never even thought about needing to get a second one. But after using this guy for the first time, I can really see the appeal of it. Not just for traveling or when you're camping or flying or even at work. I actually really like it just at home because it's much more compact and it takes up a lot less kitchen space. Like I got a small kitchen, I got a small pantry, but my coffees, you should see my pantry, the way it's set up, it's like this entire shelf is just coffee gear, and the Aeropress takes up a good amount of shelf space. Being able to just compartmentalize it all into like literally this cup and just put the lid back on, that's really cool. I really like it. I'll be doing a comparison video later on with the original Aeropress, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is Ivan from latteartguide.com signing out. And cheers to good coffee.